How to download and install Cash app on your phone. First, open up the App Store app on your phone. Next, tap the Search tab at the bottom right of your screen. Next, tap on the search bar at the top. Search for Cash app in the search bar, then look for the Cash app. After you find the Cash app in the search results, tap on the Get button. The app will begin installing. You can now click on the button that says Open to open the Cash app. You can also open the app on your home screen as well. When you open the Cash app, you should be greeted with a screen that asks you to enter your phone or email to sign up for a Cash app account.